Okay, so my nephew Vincent, I'm so amazed. I was trying to, he was telling Jeremiah, oh, this is this video, that video. And he was looking for a certain video and he put it in. I was like, wait a minute, there's no way he knows it. Not unless he's feeling something. But.
And here I go. I'm going to tell Auntie Sharon what the video games are. So, watch me as I go with Auntie Sharon.
Good narrating.
And good games from Auntie Sharon.
They're all mixed.
Okay, go ahead.
All right.
So you saw they're all mixed.
Here we go. This is Mario Party 2.
Let me see it.
Yeah, we gotta see it so we can know. Oh, yep.
This is... Oh. This one is Mario Party 3. Mario Party 1.
Bugs Life. Oh, sorry.
Bugs Life.
Okay.
And then this is Smash Brothers.
Yep. Show them to me, Sharon.
Pac-Man.
Yup.
Hold on. So, this is a different game.
Okay, put it to the side if you don't know it.
He's good. This is Yoshi's Story.
Yep.
This is Egg Bug's Life. This is Rampage.
A Rampage?
No, it's
No.
Pokemon.
Wait, Vincent, just a minute.
And this is Wave Race. Wave Race. It's a race that
Yes.
you can drive along.
That was because David doesn't let him watch those.
So, basketball.
Yep.
Pokemon World.
Is it?
Yeah, Pokemon Puzzle or whatever, World.
The last one is Bomberman.
Oh my
see?
gosh. How does he?
Wait, hold it, Sharon. Yeah.
So I'm just like, how does he know? But he doesn't feel it. He just taps it. Those ones
He used to
doesn't do.
ask me all the time. I'm like, no, you gotta figure it out. What's the difference by putting stickers and. Now he's doing it by hearing. I didn't even know that.
That's what he did. That's what I was amazed with. He's doing it by the hearing.
Huh?
By the way he's
What's
tapping it.
this one?
A ver.
What's it? A ver, dámelo.
It's Mario Party.
It's a
Yeah.
Oh, those are the ones
This
your
one's
brother
fine.
doesn't let you, because he has high scores and he doesn't want you touching those.
All right. Good job, Vincent.
Wow,
That's amazing.
Vincent.
God, he's good, huh, Papa?
He has 1,
How many does he know?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. And then the other ones are what, 4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Wow, Vinny. Well, thank you for sharing that with us. Tell everyone what's your name and how old are you? Let's go back.
My name is Vincent and I'm 9 years old.
3, go.
What? Not again.
Oh, it's because I had it on pause. I'm sorry. Go ahead. So what's your name and age? What were you saying?
My name is Vincent and I'm 9 years old. I'm gonna be 10 on birthday.
Uh-huh.
Jeremiah is 7, and he's going
I'm about to be in
8.
first grade.
All right.
Yeah, he's in kindergarten. He learned a lot, but not too much, but just a little bit.
This is my cousin Vincent, and I play baseball, so I'll see you again.
Yeah, we'll see you again next time, okay?
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and subscribe.
Oh, you forgot you say I'm visually impaired, so it's not like I know what I was really watching. Okay, with your eyes, only with your hands, right?
No, don't grab these games.
Bye.